Okay, so what are we looking at here? I'm making a series of these very short, kind of contained spatial or environmental puzzles. Usually a character has to adjust a few things in order to open a door or somehow change the environment to solve the puzzle. And you find these a lot in video games, and it's something that I'm trying to focus on in my work. I want to get the user experience kind of down and play around with a lot of different puzzles. So in order to get that going, I've set up a couple of elements here. This is a Mixamo character with a couple of animations like running and jumping and some blending stuff between animations. Nothing too complicated about it. I just needed a character who can affect the environment for the user. And then the goal of this puzzle is to open this door, is to change all of these platforms to blue in order to open this door. But every platform has a slightly different effect on itself or on the other platform. So this platform will change its color every time I step onto it. This platform, I'm not exactly sure how that works. And this platform looks like will change every platform to its opposite color. Yes. Okay. So I've got these two blue platforms here. Let's see. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. Let's see. Flip it all to its opposite. I think if I do this, no, this, then over here, and then back to this will change it back. So now they're all blue, and now the door has opened, and I can move through the door because I've solved the puzzle. Anyway, again, these things, I'm making a bunch of these short, little, small spatial puzzles. And they're just sort of fun, light, puzzling mechanics where you're using a third-person character. And I've also done some that are first-person characters, but they're just kind of interesting to me. Sometimes they're interesting because they get to set up like a little small environment. Anyway, that's the time.